If you want to see how I turn this into this, stay tuned. Hi, Crafty Angel Celeste here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with my second video for the collab with Mrs. GIGI for a No New November Junk Journal Challenge. And today we're doing the center of the toilet paper roll. And I'm going to do tags with it. So let me move this. And here's all my supplies that I will be using to make the tag. So I'm gonna get started doing that in just a minute. Okie dokie. Here's my toilet paper roll centers, my glue, my little spatula, my bone folder, just in case, little tape runner, double-sided tape in case. I'm also gonna use my glue, maybe, my little knife, and then all the other supplies that I'm going to be using. I'm going to leave everything in here so nothing gets lost. Okay, so I'm going to take my glue and one of these toilet paper rolls. See, I've already cut it into a tag. I'm going to take some newspaper here. I put this to the side, and I'm going to glue my tag to the newspaper. I'm going to put that there. I'm going to put our glue on the toilet paper roll here. And then we're going to stick this like this. Take the bone folder and sorry about that. And we're gonna just go over it and smooth it out. Take our scissors and we're going to do this. Okay. Make sure it's all. I think I'm coming down with a cold. Could be my allergies, could be whatever. Don't know. Put that in a little bin. Let me try to, whoops, clear my nozzle here. And we're going to do the back part of this. Okay. I'm going to take the back part and we're going to do this. again. I'm going to cut it out. Okay. Now I can't see where to cut it out. Okay, I'm going to save this because I have an idea for something to do. Okay. Now that's all done. Now, whoops, I forgot a piece down here. There we go. Now, I want to make a pocket. So what I'm going to do is cut a piece off of here. Okay. Even it out. And that's that. I'm going to take this, glue only 3 sides. Okay. Put this down like so. And then trim off the excess. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is put my needle back in here. Okay. Now we have our pocket. But what I want to do so we can identify the pocket is go back in with, you can use a marker or a pen. I'm going to use my pen because that's what I have handy. And just outline the pen. Outline the top of the pocket with the pen. It's like you're using ink to ink it, but there. Okay, so we got that. Now, what I'm going to do is take some of this stuff here and decorate it. So, let's see. I want a butterfly on it. So we're going to go in and get a small pink butterfly and put her right there. Okay. And then we're going to seal this back. Put it back in our basket so it doesn't get lost. We're going to take these here. I'm going to take this one here and put the little cactus right here. Okay. So now I can take this and put it back in its little pouchy here. And seal it back and put it in the basket. So we're going to glue this one. And we're going to do that. Okay. Now I want something for inside the pocket. And if y'all do anything to go with this, any projects to go with this, please hashtag Mrs. GIGI or hashtag Vanessa Angel Rose Designs. Okay, I'll have that all at the bottom. Let me see. How about we put this tag inside the pocket? and then this one right over that, and we're done. I'm going to seal this back up and put this back in the basket. We're going to close up here. Put that in the basket. We're going to put all our tools back in the basket. Now there's one thing I want to do. One more thing. I'm going to take this and I'm going to punch a hole in it. Ooh. Okay. And then I'm going to put a piece of twine in the hole. You can put a ribbon, you can put anything that you want in the hole. And you can use it in your journal. I'm going to double up my string like so. Put the folded part through the hole, pull it, and then grab the other the other part of the string, the twine actually, and do like that. You can also put an eyelet in here. Okay, so now we have this tag and this one in our pocket, and it was our tag pocket. So that is it for today. Please like, share, and comment. I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be blessed, be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.